I'm so happy. Guys, you don't know how grateful I am. You don't know how overwhelmed I am. Like, I'm so filled with joy. This is one of the things I've been dreaming to get, or one of the few items I've been dreaming to get. You know, things are quite expensive now, and I'm so grateful I was able to afford this. And from my thumbnail, you already know what I'm about to unbox. So guys, join me while we unbox these items. My new babies, my new babies. Before I got this item, I was so scared. I've been thinking, God, how will I get the money to buy this item? Because I wanted to buy this machine again. I bought this machine last 2 years for 210,000. Guys, when I priced it, I was told 450k, and I'm like, are you for real? After much pricing, I was giving for 420. I said, I don't have money for that. Let me use the money I saved. I was thinking it's about 260, 280 or thereabouts. So I just gathered the money to buy this one. So guys, join me as I unbox my new baby. So I'm just going to create some space here. Okay, I'm just going this out. I'm going to be dropping some of these items here, so I'll just have to carry this table down. So guys, I don't even need to sit down. Do I need to sit? Okay. This is the first time I opened this item since I got it. I got it yesterday evening. I was so tired. Oh my god, this is so nice. They gave me a gift. This is for taking measurements. Oh my god, this is so nice. I love it. Name, telephone number, date, length, pulse, so just like your body measurements. Wow, this is so nice. I love it. Thank you so much, Queso Enterprise. I appreciate your gift. So this is the manual for my heat press. My heat press machine, I got a color black. You can see it here already. This is my heat press machine, guys. I can't wait to unbox it. This is my manual. Okay, I ordered 4 packs of hook and eyelet, snap button size 36, snap button size 30. Oh my god, no, this is not snap, but this is a cover button size 36, cover button size 30, and this is snap button. Oh my god, they gave me plastic. I was never expecting plastic. I was thinking it's iron. Okay, I don't know how this works. I don't know. I needed plastic. I needed iron, sorry. What's this? Oh, this is not what I wanted. Okay, remove. These are the buttons I ordered for the parts. This is cover button. This is hook and eyelet. And I got my Rivet machine. This is a multi-purpose Rivet machine. I'm just going to do video about this. I'll do video on this, how it works. It's a multi-purpose machine. You can use it for beading, you can use it for hook and eyelet, you can use it for your snap buttons, you can use it for your cover button. It does a lot of work, guys. It does a lot of work. So I'll fix the handle later. I think it's fixed this way. I have to remove this. I'm going to couple it later, but this is called a Rivet machine. After that, I have my dices for all of this. Oh my god, these are the dices. Okay, it was labeled. This is for snap button dice. These dices are quite expensive. All these dice coupled together, they're even more expensive than the machine itself. I'm going to do a video to explain how much it is, the work, and how they work. Okay, these for snap buttons, they help me to label it. Can you imagine that this single thing alone is 12,000 naira. This is imported. This is for cover button, imported size 36 cover button. They have other ones. This is silver. They have other ones that are different color. That one is about 5,000, 4,000, but this one is imported. It's original. It lasts forever. This is for size 36, and this is for size 30. That is 24,000 naira for the two. This is for beading clothes, dies. This is for snap button, and this is for eyelets. I got dies for all of them. I'll be using it on this machine. So guys, I'm in business. So to unbox the baba of them all. To unbox the baba of them all. Oh my god. They gave me another jotter. Eh? The pack can give me another one, guys. I got another gift. For real. It's not too. Wow. I can't even carry this up. Oh, Jesus. Jesus. Hey. So guys, I have my. You can see the head already. Jesus, I have my. Hey. Yes. How do I carry this out? This is my heat press machine. Oh my god. So guys, this is my heat press machine. I got my heat press machine. Oh my god. So guys, this is like unboxing of these items. I'm going to do video on them one by one, how to use them and how they work. This is also a multi-purpose machine. You can use it to print on shirts, print on your dresses, your DTF, to stone your dress and all. It does a lot of work, guys. For your heat transfer of everything, for stoning of your dresses and all. It does a lot of work. Okay. So I'm going to do video on it, how to use them for your heat transfer, for stoning and other purposes. So guys, that is all for the unboxing of these items. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys when I do a detailed video on how to use them. Till then, ta-da, bye.